In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix FaceApp not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with FaceApp, maybe the app is not opening, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. There are quite a number of methods you can use to troubleshoot your app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page. To do this, just go to your app and then long press on it. And here, tap on app info. Now you can see we are on the FaceApp app information page. Here you'll be able to see even the version for this app. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. And if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of this, we have total data, app size, user data, and cache data. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience whenever you use it. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this problem, you need to go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and then OK. Now don't worry, this will not affect your app. You will not even have to log in afresh. You can just continue the app. As you can see, all the cache data plus some of the user data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app. And at this time round, your app should be working without any issue. In most cases, this should be able to solve all your problems. But should you still have any challenge with the app, then proceed again to the app info page and then tap on clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and then OK. Here you'll need to log in afresh for you to use your data, and I hope this solves your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then go ahead and look for your app either through App Store if you are on iPhone or Play Store if you are on Android. So I'll go to Play Store, search for my app. You can see my app is here. Then look for any update. If it is available, you should be able to see it here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of FaceApp Perfect Face Editor app. Go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this now should be able to fix any issues that you are facing. So if your app was not supported because you're using an older version, now you should get the latest version that is supported. However, should you still experience any challenge after even doing this, such as the app still crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. By using any of these four methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.